Hello everyone, today we're going to make a card and MSW logo. First we're going to do circle 30. Then we're going to do circle 40 to make the front tire. And after that we're going to do LT90. And after LT90 we're going to do FD150. After doing FD 150, we are going to do RT90 to pull the cursor up. After RT90, we're going to do FD 100. After FD 100, we're going to do RT90 again. After RT90, we're going to do FD 150. After FD 150, we're going to do LT 45. After LT 45, we're going to do FD 100. After FD 100, we're going to do RT 45. After RT 45, we're going to do FD 150. After FD 150, we're going to do RT 45. After RT 45, we're going to do FD 100. After FD 100, we're going to do LT 45. After LT 45, we're going to do FD 100. After FD 100, RT 90. So we can make it at the perfect angle to do FD 100. After FD 100, RT 90. After RT 90, FD 150. After that, circle 30. After circle 30, circle 40, then we almost done. Now we only need to do FD300. This is how to make a car. Thank you.